Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making almond cookies. Okay, I'm gonna start doing it now. I got everything here that I need and I grated some almonds and I'm gonna finish. Okay, it's like finely chopped. And these are lightly toasted. Okay, here I have cookie sheets lined with parchment paper. So I will start with the eggs. The sugar. And I will beat the eggs with the sugar. Okay. Now I'll start adding the almond and the almond extract. Okay, we'll add the extract. And now I'll add the almonds. I'll mix this for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna do with my hands. And that's all you do, with this, not too many ingredients. I'm gonna be dipping this in chocolate once they come out of the oven. So you just mix until everything gets combined. That's good. Okay. So now I'll wash my hands, clean up, and start shaping the cookies. Okay, and I will be back. I'm gonna put the dough here. I'm gonna start rolling them. Once you start rolling and your hands get sticky, you just wet them with a little bit of water, okay? To start, just wet them. Okay, so and here the cookie sheet. The oven is ready. Okay, so they go in the oven. They only stay like 10 minutes in the oven. Depends on your oven. On this one here, 10 minutes. And I will continue with more. You can do some of the cookies like in a horseshoe form. You can do them this way. Okay. I just did a few there like that. Okay, I'm almost done. These are the cookies. They've been cooling off. They look nice, eh? I'm gonna drizzle them with chocolate soon and dip some of them. So I will take the other ones out of the oven. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna start melting the chocolate. I'll do some white and some dark. Okay, I'm gonna take the other cookies out of the oven and shut up the oven. Nice, beautiful. I put a teaspoon of the oil in the chocolate. Okay, this is the white chocolate. I melted down. Okay, and this is the dark. So these have been cooling off and I'm gonna start dipping them like this. you know, the decoration, it's optional. You can just leave them the way they are because they look beautiful and they're just delicious as they are with nothing on it. So I've done it before. It takes time to dry the chocolate. Okay, I'm just gonna, there it goes there. These they've been cooling off too. See, these they look nice. I'm gonna dip them in the dark now, the dark chocolate. Just put this back here. This one before it dries. I'm just putting some almonds sliced and the chocolate ones. So we can decorate them like this too, you know. So they will dry, and I'm still gonna finish. Okay, so I'm just gonna decorate here a few. Very little ingredients, and look what you get. Beautiful. They're moist, and the chocolate, oh my god, so more than delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.